Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Excel app. Today we are going to learn about sum function. Okay, a sum function is nothing but it adds all the numbers of range of columns and returns the result. I mean, whatever the values are here, it will take up all the values and add it over here. So what we need to do for this is equal to sum of one bracket. You need to select the criteria where you want to add. We'll be adding from D4 to D17 and we'll be closing up the bracket. See, the result is 456. There's another way of doing it. You can apply this also. Go to formula bar, insert function, sum. Okay, it automatically detected the cells which has got the values. I mean, from D4 to D17, D18 it took because there's another cell below to this one. We have taken up D17 now and we'll click on OK. See, we have got the result. Thanks for watching.